Hello tappers, welcome back to Tapping with Kelly. In today's video, we're going to be dealing with what happens when fear is holding you back from pursuing your dreams and fulfilling your soul's purpose. But before we begin, if you would like a private tapping session with me, please visit tappingwithkelly.com. You see the website right below, and I'd love to work with you. When I'm not making videos for YouTube and Instagram, I help clients get unstuck so they can finally live their best lives, and I'd love to help you too. Okay, so let's dive right in. Mark Twain said, "The two most important days in your life are the day you are born and the day you find out why." So you're excited that you finally realized what it is in life that feeds your soul, and now you want to make a career out of it, only to be left with the question of what do I do now? Where do I even begin? And the task to get your business off the ground or to jump into your career, whatever that may be, they seem daunting. It's like a laundry list of to-do items. Well, in today's tapping session, we're going to tap away the fear and the overwhelm that result from not knowing how to go about making your dreams a reality. And in the process, we're going to open up your energy channels so you can receive guidance from the universe and opportunities can flow freely into your life. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, we're going to go right to the side of the hand. Just repeat after me. Even though I am riddled with fear and doubt about how to make my dream a reality, I choose to forgive myself for feeling this way. Even though I feel overwhelmed and doubtful that I have what it takes to make my dream a reality, I choose to give myself a break for entertaining these negative thoughts and feelings. Even though this fear is chipping away at my resolve and the overwhelm is crushing my spirit, I choose to deeply and completely love, honor, and accept how I am feeling in this moment. Okay, now because the body is a mirror, you can either tap on both sides or one side. There is no right or wrong, it's whatever feels comfortable. Eyebrow, I'm scared. Side of eye, feeling really overwhelmed. Under the eye, I don't even know how or where to start making my dream a reality. Under the nose, am I foolish for even thinking I can turn my passion into a business? Chin, do I even have what it takes to make a career out of what I truly enjoy doing in life? Collarbone, I don't know what to do. Under the arm, all this overwhelm and fear. Breastbone, the spleen mark right under your breast, you feel the bone. So much fear. Wrists, where do I even begin? Top of the head, I don't know where to begin making my dream a reality. Eyebrow, what if my dream stays just a dream? Side of eye, then again, I didn't always know what I wanted to do in life. Under the eye, and I feared that I'd never discover my passion. Under the nose, but that fear turned out to be false. I know what I want to do now. Okay, chin. Stephen King said fear is false evidence appearing real. Collarbone, so what if my fears are sabotaging me from moving forward? Under the arm, what if I'm my own worst enemy? The breastbone, what if I feel the fear and do it anyway? Wrists, nobody was born knowing how to fly a jet, do home improvement projects, sew, be an architect, the list goes on and on. Top of the head, I have what it takes to learn everything there is to know about my passion. Eyebrow, I can join message boards devoted to what I love, meet like-minded people. Side of the eye, I can seek out business mentors. Under the eye, I can check out every book at the library devoted to my passion. Under the nose. I already figured out what truly makes me happy. So why can't I figure out the rest? Chin. If I truly want to make a living out of my passion, then I must put the work into making it a reality. Collarbone. But what if I can't? Under the arm. If I think I can, then I won't. Breastbone. But I want to believe that I can. Wrists. I want to believe that I can make my dream a reality. Top of the head. I believe I can make my dream a reality and that I have what it takes to be successful. Okay, eyebrow. I choose to let go of the limiting beliefs holding me back from pursuing my dreams. Side of the eye. I choose to see fear as false evidence appearing real. Under the eye. I choose to remove all fear and doubt and overwhelm from every fiber of my body. Under the nose. I choose to be excited and hopeful. Chin. I choose to feel myself already having and doing my dream career. Collarbone. And now I choose to be open and receptive to attracting opportunities galore to make my dream a reality. Under the arm. I am open and receptive to receiving help from the universe. Breastbone. I release the overwhelm and the fear and will take things one step at a time. I can do this. I am meant to do this. Wrists. I am successful and can do and will do whatever it takes to make my dream a reality. Top of the head. I am open and receptive to receive opportunities in vibrational alignment with my passion. And I am open and receptive to receiving help from the universe. Okay, last one. I choose to listen and pay attention to my intuition. Side of the eye. I choose to have faith and I choose to believe that whatever I need to do to make my passion in life a reality, that will be revealed to me. Under the eye. Whatever I need to do to make my dream a reality will be revealed to me. Under the nose. I choose to trust in the process. Chin. Today I will start immersing myself in my passion and researching and reading everything on the topic. Collarbone. And from today on, anytime fear rears its ugly head, I will ignore it because it's just a defense mechanism and it's false evidence appearing real. Under the arm. Today I pushed away the fear and limiting beliefs and took another step forward on the path of dream fulfillment. Breastbone. Fear no longer holds me prisoner. Today I am free. Wrists. I vow to listen and pay attention to my intuition. And I am open and receptive to receiving signs and opportunities telling me what I need to do to make my dream a reality. Top of the head. I am open and receptive to receiving guidance from the universe. Okay, press down gently and take in a deep breath on a count of 6. And now hold on a count of 6. And release and exhale on a count of 6. Okay, hopefully you're feeling a lot better, a lot more relaxed, and I would suggest tapping on this video again, just to basically to get yourself to the point where even if the fear is there, it's not holding you down, cementing your feet in place. And I just want you to remember that you can do this, you know, You already did one of the hardest parts, and that's realizing what you want to do in life. You've come way too far to give up. I believe in you. You got this. You can do it. Okay? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, please comment below. I would love to hear from you. And again, thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing if you already haven't. And hit that bell icon so you don't miss future tapping videos. So until next time, take care.